This video is about calculating rates of reactions. In addition to this, you can look at pages 7 and 8 of the Reaction Kinetics Knowledge Pack. Last lesson you looked at the marble chips and acid reaction, which is the reaction between calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. So in the experiment, you reacted the two together in a conical flask, and you collected the gas given off in the gas syringe, and you measured this every 10 seconds. The results from this experiment should look a lot like the table that's on the right of this slide, although you should have recorded a lot more results than I have. So we're going to use the results from that experiment to help us calculate the rate of that reaction. And the first thing that you need to do is you need to plot a graph with time on the x-axis and the volume of gas on the y-axis. Once you've done that and you've joined the points together, you should get a graph that looks something like this. What you then do with this graph is you draw a tangent to the initial part of the curve, making sure that it goes through 0, 0. Now, this tangent that we've just drawn can be used to calculate the rate of this reaction. So what you do is you choose 2 points of this tangent. They should be quite spaced apart. One of those points will have the coordinates x1, y1 as labelled, and the other point will have the coordinate x2, y2. Now, to calculate the gradient of this graph, you need to do y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. However, the gradient that we've calculated from this graph gives us the rate of reaction in centimetres cubed per second. The units for rate of reaction is actually given in moles per dm cubed per second. So we need to convert the gradient from cm cubed per second to moles per dm cubed per second, and I will show you how to do that in lesson.